Start your day by waking up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Begin with a glass of water to hydrate your body. Then step outside for some sunlight exposure. Fuel yourself with a high-protein breakfast to kickstart your energy. Next, take 5 to 10 minutes to meditate and, if time permits, squeeze in a quick workout if you enjoy. If you enjoy caffeine, have a cup to boost your focus and dive into deep, concentrated work. Later, read a book to stimulate your mind and enjoy a lunch that's rich in protein and low in carbs. Step outside again for fresh air and sunlight. Then connect with friends or family to nurture your relationships. Engage in a creative activity like painting, playing music, or writing. For dinner, opt for a meal packed with protein and some healthy carbs. About an hour before bed, take magnesium to relax your body and avoid screens to minimize blue light exposure. Reflect on your day, set goals for tomorrow, and practice breath work. Finally, head to bed between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to recharge for the next day. This simple yet effective routine will transform your daily life and help you grow consistently.